Hey, welcome back everyone to another crazy beautiful day on the farm. It's beautiful. It's been beautiful, but man, is it dry here. We really need the rain. I can't even imagine. The fire risk is probably off the charts right now. So, well, what I've been doing today is putting together another rabbit hutch. More food security. Oh my gosh, be quiet. I swear they have a clock up there because they know it's getting close to 4 o'clock. So I'm going to get these guys put on here, and then yeah. Here again, I don't have anything flat, so I kind of have to work with what I got. So I'm just going to use I don't know where I put it, the square on here, square it, and then square the back, and hopefully the top will be good. So look at that board. Holy smokes. It's like a barrel stave. Jeez. So, I don't know. We'll cut him into short pieces for something across here. Anyways, let's get moving here. Shut up! Seriously! Golly. Anyways, idiots. Alright, I'll set you up here. I'm using timber screws because I don't have anything long. It's the only thing I got long enough to go through all these boards. So, I'll get you set up here to get a little bit of it. Actually, that's no good. It's kind of a pain in the butt by myself here. Let's do this. Put this in. Oof. Okay. Now, let's get the other one. Hole drilled, another screw. Whoa. There's 2 dogs. Hey, you knocked my camera over. It's over for you two. Dogs are nuts. Okay, I gotta run that bolt in some more. All right, well, I got all the, I don't know what you want to call this, the base, and then these guys up. Everything's up, and I even got the first one of these. These are all cut, ready to go for tomorrow. So everything's getting long in the tooth here. I still got to go do hay. Oh, for the goats. They're out here roaming around. Yeah. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, welcome back. So I was just starting to put my cross braces in to support the wire and all that this morning, and I don't know if you can tell, man, there's some dark clouds rolling in, and guess what? 0% chance of rain today. And look at all this. Ooh. So I gotta take a break and try to scurry everything away, I guess. I don't know to trust all that. It says rain starting in 53 minutes, so probably if I go and put all this stuff away, it won't rain. But I'm gonna take a break here, put all this stuff at least in the garage a little bit, and then get back at it. I'll be right back. It'll be a second for you, it'll be minutes for me. All right, we're covered up. I got all the tools, the hand tools are in. I have my phone sitting there, but you know, I always tell you guys, like, you can't just do something around here without just something rearing its ugly head, right? It's either the goats are trying to kill themselves or whatever. So this morning, got up, did the chores, and those two dogs. I have, let me show you here. Right there, that, can you see that? That water, that was my nursery. I had 2 ducks and 2 chickens. And they're somewhat, you know, they need out of there. So what I did was, right up there I have that little like nursery pin. I don't know, can you see that? Like right there's the waterer I put up there. Anyways, so I was moving them up there, the ducks and the 2 chickens, and I got in side by side this morning, and they couldn't see out of the windshield. It's so dirty from dust. Windshield wiper sucks. Blah blah blah, right? So I had the hose up there. I had the hose turned on for watering the ducks and all that. So I'm like, oh, I'll just take this up, and when I take haul the ducks and chickens up in the back, I'll wash the windshield. So I rolled up that window. Went to roll up this window. Got about a crank and a half, and it goes BAM! And you can hear pieces falling down in the bottom of the door. So now, nothing. Window doesn't do squat diddly. So you can see that this thing, total pain in the ace to get this, take this off. And actually, it's very easy to take this off. It's very hard to get it back on. So, you know, it's a Kubota, so it's going to be 3 times what it should be. If it's orange or green, it's 3 times what it should be. So, great. Now I have a window that only goes halfway up. Hasn't rained in weeks, and now it's going to rain. So, I'm getting this damn rabbit pen done before I work on that. I got to get this thing done today, oiled and moved up. That's, got to get it done. I got to move on. I got more stuff to do. I still got to do, I still haven't been able to pull the wire for the solar panels yet. I need help with that. So, all right, I'm going to put you back on and we'll get this thing taken care of. It is, all these are done. Now these last two were not complete 2x4s, so I had to redo these nails. So, and check this out. You know, these timber screws are ridiculously expensive. Snap the head right off of that. These posts here, and these two, on these, well no, this is red oak, okay? This is chestnut oak. And all this stuff has been sawed. I think it's been sawed for like, I don't know, 2 months, say. This chestnut oak, it is hard as concrete. Like I'm just bending all my nails. It's ridiculous. And then if you put a screw in it, you're lucky to get the screw in without snapping it. It's just, it's insane. Alright, well, AccuWeather, they blew it. If I wouldn't have put my tools away, it would have rained. But it didn't rain, it didn't do anything. So Alright, well, see, I got the fronts on, so I got this here lip, this lip here, and then I have this lip. So this is where my walls are going to go. So that is ready to go. The front's ready to go. This, you know, there'll be doors here. And then I have my dividers back here. So we got wall and a wall. And then, yeah, just these 2x2s to do nailers for the siding. Hey, welcome back, everyone. So, crazy day here. It's like going to be, I think, 82 or 85 degrees. We just had fire again. Anyways, I have been working. I got the back on, but I will tell you, not doing any video today because of the wind, and there's no way I'm setting my camera up on a tripod. It will be gone. This thing hits the ground one more time, it's over. So, yeah, it's crazy windy here today. The leaves are flying, and I mean, all it's going to take is this like one idiot to do something with a fire today and the whole mountain's going to burn. So it is so dry, high wind, zero humidity. So, I mean, we're in a really severe drought here right now, and the fire danger is off the chart. In fact, my daughter's well run dry again today. So it's, yeah, it's pretty rough here right now as far as water is concerned. In fact, I'm not even like filling up the ducks tank for them to swim around in. That's it. They're done until we get some rain, some substantial rain. So whatever they use up, they use up. But there we go. So the back is on. You can see I got some cracks in there. It's all right. I'm gonna batten it anyways. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Look at this, man. And the dust is just flying. So, but it's looking pretty good. I got to make some two braces here for the end, and then I'm gonna put the sides on it. And yeah. All right, so I'm gonna get back to work here. I'll bring you back. Like I said, it's so windy, and I can't afford a new camera right now. So, all right, let's get to work. Woo! Look at these dirty hawks. Two, 3 of them. Anyways, I was hoping to get this done today, but we had to go off the farm today, which I don't like doing, honestly, but had to do it. So I think we have record-breaking temperatures today. We're in the low to mid 80s. It's hot, and the wind is howling again, and possibility of a snow shower, a rain shower tonight. So what I did was, before I got started, so if you look, I got the roof done, except for I didn't have enough of these guys that I made on the sawmill, so I'm not going up there to do that just for 3 pieces. So I just put these guys on, and then I stained it. I still got to do this dude right here. Yeah, so I got all this done yesterday except for this. I just did the oil here like a couple minutes ago. You can see it's all over the place.
All right, here comes the last homemade hand-milled oak rabbit hutch, coming up to its final resting place. Sorry about the sun, but right down in there on Rabbit Row. So I better pay attention, make sure he doesn't hit any trees. So we'll show you when it's all set up. What do you think, mister? Do you have enough time? Huh?
All right, there it is. It's all done. It's in place. We're gonna put it here for now. The only thing bad is that's where a lot of our weather comes from. So once it starts getting cold, we'll probably have to plastic the front of these things. So there's no snow or cold rain blowing in on them, but they're all got their nesting boxes in. All right, guys, well, this build is over with. So, hey, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.